Biden's attempts to rein in Russia's hostile behavior and threats to Eastern Europe have been summarily dismissed. Joe Biden has been holding talks with Russia's President Vladimir Putin over the past month in a bid to ease the buildup of military presence at the border with Ukraine. An estimated 104,000 soldiers have been deployed to the area, sparking fears Moscow might be plotting to make a move to integrate additional areas from the Eastern European county. But Ambassador to Russia Sir Tony Brenton dismissed the U.S. president's attempts to make Putin de-escalate as he warned the threat of further sanctions is of very limited magnitude. U.S. Secretary of State Antony Blinken warned last month of massive consequences if Russia fails to stand back. Asked about what consequences the U.S. might be considering, Sir Tony told LBC, "What he means is substantial economic sanctions. What he does not mean, and what Biden has explicitly excluded, is military involvement in any fighting that takes place. It's a threat of very limited magnitude because Russia has been subject to lots of economic sanctions already and they've had no effect at all on Russian policy." He continued, "That said, I don't think Russia actually want to invade Ukraine. I think what's going on is saying to the Americans in a way that's designed to get the Americans' attention that they really want some attention paid to their security concerns in the region. They really are concerned that if Ukraine joins NATO, that increased the military threat directly to them. And they want to deal with the United States and the wider West which will stop that, and will stop NATO expansion." A senior Biden administration official said the United States is not willing to discuss limits on U.S. troop deployments or the U.S. force posture in NATO countries in the region with Russia. A crucial set of discussions with Moscow is due to be held on Monday in Geneva, Switzerland. The talks are aimed at averting a crisis. Putin has massed tens of thousands of troops along the border with Ukraine, generating fears of an invasion.